Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the tropical paradise of Sandals Dunn's River, a luxurious adults-only resort nestled in the heart of Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Get ready for a journey through cascading pools, rum-infused evenings, and Caribbean bliss that'll have you dreaming of your next getaway. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Sandals Dunn's River doesn't just offer rooms. It offers sanctuaries of relaxation and romance. Picture yourself in one of their Coyaba Sky Rondoval villas, a private hideaway that takes luxury to new heights, literally. These circular villas come with their own rooftop terraces, perfect for stargazing with your special someone. And if that's not enough to make you swoon, how about a private plunge pool to cool off in after a day of Caribbean sun? But wait, there's more. For those who can't get enough of the water, the swim-up suites are a dream come true. Imagine waking up, stepping out onto your patio, and dipping your toes directly into a sparkling pool. It's like having your own personal oasis right outside your door. Now, if you're feeling extra fancy, the beachfront skypool suites are Sandals' first of their kind in Jamaica. These bad boys offer private infinity-edge skypools overlooking the ocean. Talk about a room with a view. All suites come decked out with modern amenities like flat-screen TVs, Wi-Fi, and daily restock minibars. And for those who want the royal treatment, Butler service is available in select categories. Just remember, no matter which room you choose, you're in for a treat, and probably a few pinch me, I must be dreaming moments. Now let's talk about the food because, let's face it, half the fun of vacation is indulging in delicious eats. Sandals Dunn's River doesn't disappoint with a whopping 12 restaurants to choose from. It's like a culinary world tour without ever leaving the resort. Craving some local flavor? Head to the Dunn's Rum Club, the first rum lounge in the Sandals portfolio. It's the perfect spot to sip on island-inspired cocktails and learn about Jamaica's rich rum history. Maybe you're in the mood for some fresh seafood or want to spice things up with some jerk chicken. Whatever your taste buds desire, there's a restaurant to satisfy. From casual beachside bites to elegant fine dining experiences, you'll never go hungry here. And the best part? It's all included in your stay, so you can eat to your heart's content without worrying about the bill. Just don't blame us if you come back home a few pounds heavier. We call that the happiness weight. When it comes to pools and beaches, Sandals Dunn's River takes inspiration from its namesake. The resort features a chain of cascading pools that mimic the nearby Dunn's River Falls. It's like having your own private waterfall paradise right at the hotel. Imagine lounging by infinity-edge pools that seem to melt into the horizon, or sipping a tropical cocktail at a swim-up bar. The pool area is designed to be a social hub, with live music adding to the vibrant atmosphere. But if you prefer the sound of crashing waves, the resort's private sandy beach is just steps away. The calm waters are perfect for swimming and snorkeling, and you can bet there'll be plenty of loungers and umbrellas for those who just want to soak up the sun. Water sports enthusiasts can get their fix too, with activities like kayaking and paddleboarding available. And the best part? The attentive staff is always on hand to bring you refreshing drinks and snacks as you work on your tan. It's the kind of place where your biggest decision of the day might be whether to take a dip in the pool or the ocean. Tough life, right? For those who like to stay active on vacation, we see you overachievers. Sandals Dunn's River has got you covered. The fitness center is equipped with all the latest cardio machines and free weights, so you can keep up with your workout routine, or at least pretend to while you watch the beautiful ocean view from the treadmill. If you're more of an outdoor sports person, how about a round of golf? Green fees are included at the nearby Upton Estate Golf and Country Club, so you can work on your swing without working on your wallet. But let's be real, the real activity you're here for is relaxation. And that's where the spa comes in. Treat yourself to a massage that'll make you forget what stress even is. From facials to body wraps, the spa offers a range of treatments to pamper you from head to toe. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try a couples massage? It's a great way to bond with your partner, or at least have someone to compare notes with on who got the better masseuse. Now, let's talk about what really sets Sandals Dunn's River apart. This isn't just another cookie-cutter resort. The boutique-style layout gives it an intimate feel, even though it's packed with amenities. The cascading pool system is a showstopper, creating a unique landscape that's both beautiful and fun to explore. And let's not forget about the Dunn's Rum Club. It's the first of its kind in any Sandals resort and adds a touch of local flavor that you won't find anywhere else. The beachfront skypool suites are another standout feature, offering a level of luxury that's hard to beat. It's these little touches that make Sandals Dunn's River more than just a place to stay. It's an experience. While Sandals Dunn's River is a paradise in itself, there's plenty to explore beyond the resort gates. The famous Dunn's River Falls is just a stone's throw away, and trust us, it's worth the short trip. Climbing the cascading falls is a quintessential Jamaican experience that'll leave you with memories and probably a few photos to last a lifetime. For the adventure seekers, the Green Grotto Caves are about a half-hour drive west. These limestone caverns are steeped in history and mystery. Just don't forget to bring your sense of adventure and a good pair of walking shoes. If you're more into marine life, Dolphin Cove is a short drive east. Here, you can swim with dolphins, sharks, and stingrays. Oh my! And for those who need a little retail therapy, the town center of Ocho Rios is just a quick drive away. It's the perfect place to pick up some souvenirs or try some local cuisine off the resort. The hotel can arrange transportation to all these spots, so you don't have to worry about navigating Jamaican roads on your own. It's all about making your vacation as stress-free as possible. So, what's the verdict on Sandals Dunn's River? Well, if the glowing reviews are anything to go by, it's a hit. Guests rave about the beautiful grounds, the top-notch service, and the variety of dining options. The intimate size of the resort means everything is easily accessible, although some guests note that there are a few uphill walks. Hey, it's good for working off all those all-inclusive meals, right? The rooms get high marks for cleanliness and comfort, and many guests say the beachfront and pool areas are picture-perfect. Of course, no place is without its quirks. Some guests mention occasional wait times at restaurants during peak hours, but that's pretty standard for all-inclusive resorts. And while the hilly terrain might be a bit challenging for some, most agree that the views are worth the extra effort. One thing that really stands out in reviews is the staff. Time and time again, guests mention the exceptional customer service, with staff going above and beyond to make stays special. Whether it's remembering a guest's favorite drink or arranging a surprise for a special occasion, it's clear that the team at Sandals Dunn's River takes hospitality seriously. It's this attention to detail that turns a good vacation into a great one. For those looking to tie the knot or celebrate a special occasion, Sandals Dunn's River has you covered. The resort offers a range of wedding packages and can accommodate everything from intimate ceremonies to larger celebrations. And with its romantic setting, it's no wonder many couples choose to honeymoon here. The events team can also handle corporate retreats or other group gatherings, with conference facilities available for those who need to mix a little business with their pleasure. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.